Hey guys, thank you again for viewing our channel here at Joe for Interiors SMP. Now I'm Fernando, as you may already know, and today we're going to show you a simple DIY project on how to keep your plants from looking like this whenever you have to leave on your next vacation or summer staycation away from home. Now, stay with us because we're going to show you how to turn this bottle into a nice, practical watering bubble. We're going to keep our corks, we're going to keep our bottles, we're going to use these two items in order to create a watering bubble that is sure to keep your plants fully hydrated whenever you come back home this summer season.